Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday, the 8th of September 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Researchers exposed a malware campaign called GPUGate, where fake GitHub links and Google ads lure victims to a malicious installer. The malware only runs on real GPUs to evade sandboxes, then disables security tools and downloads more payloads. Evidence suggests Russian-speaking groups are targeting firms in Western Europe. Hackers are embedding phishing kits in SVG image files that pose as Colombia's judicial system. Victims are tricked into downloading a ZIP containing a fake browser and malicious DLL that pulls additional malware. Over 500 such files have bypassed antivirus detection, mainly impacting Colombian users. A GitHub account compromise gave attackers access to code repositories and OAuth tokens between March and June. They pivoted into a company's automation product, stealing integration data and affecting at least 22 organizations. The app was taken offline on September 5th while the firm reinforced defenses. Attackers hijacked NPM maintainer accounts to publish malicious package versions with more than 2.6 billion weekly downloads. The Trojanized updates targeted crypto transactions and leaked secrets, while phishing pages impersonated NPM support. Developers reported losing account access through unauthorized MFA changes. A new Stellarium spyware variant is being used to capture screenshots and webcam photos of victims visiting adult sites. Spread through phishing emails disguised as invoices, the malware supports sextortion tactics. Targets range from individuals to professionals in sectors like hospitality, finance, and education. Hackers are abusing Amazon's simple email service with stolen AWS keys to send over 50,000 phishing emails a day. By exploiting cross-region API calls, they bypass sandbox restrictions and push tax-themed scams. The campaign highlights weak cloud key hygiene and poor monitoring practices. Canadian fintech firm Wealthsimple reported a data breach after a third-party tool was compromised on August 30th. Fewer than 1% of its clients, around 30,000 people, had sensitive data like IDS and social insurance numbers exposed. No passwords or funds were affected, and impacted users were offered monitoring and protection services. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.